Hello, my name is Haofeng Huang. Today I'm gonna talk about some of my project experience. When I was a junior, I was fortunate to be offered a research assistant position under the mentorship of Professor Lan Wang, a professor and department chair of the Department of Managed Science and the Harvard Business School in University of Miami. Professor Wang asked me with analyzing multiple data sets for a research project, including restaurants in different cities, to make professional recommendations for potential investors in the dining industry. We calculate various metrics such as average rent, net income, profit, and investing skills. I found this project to be a really exciting opportunity to work on real world problems and a new perspective to apply skills acquired through my undergraduate studies. While this project represents a challenge for me, as I was not yet proficient in Java, so I took initiative and enrolled in a Coursera online courses on Python to improve my data analysis and coding skills. I also utilized resources recommended by Professor Wang, including books on the subject to deepen my understanding of this project. I dedicate almost my entire winter break to learn Python and applied my newfound skills to the real-world task at hand with some parallel knowledge of Java from my freshman year courses and my persistence in learning Python. I was finally able to successfully code and analyze the dataset to meet Professor Wang's requirements. Impressed by my progress in programming, Professor Wang then assigned me to work with a PhD student in my school on a deeper level of the project. This collaboration allowed me to double check the data for accuracy and seek guidance on any questions I had. During our collaboration, my colleague introduced me to the R programming language as she preferred using it for our data analysis. And she believed that it could also provide me some solution to some of the challenges I was facing. Therefore, in addition to regular coursework, I set aside 10 hours each week to learn and practice R. Initially, I struggled with organizing store named by ID and brand code. After discussing the issue with a colleague, I came up with a solution. We assigned each plaza a unique code and divided the dataset into smaller groups with the same plaza code. We also created a sector name to avoid any duplicate codes when combining the smaller groups back together. By implementing those changes, we were able to quickly calculate the data and generate successful um, and some useful insights, such as the number of stores of the same kind on the same floor, or the number of empty shops in the mall. While the workload was heavy during the research period, I found the pressure to be motivating and ended up some learning more than I had anticipated. By the end of the semester, we had collected and analyzed over 10,000 data points from locations around the world, including restaurants and retail stores of various categories and sizes. Professor Wang was surprised by my ability to grasp two programming languages as her first undergraduate assistant at the school. This research experience was incredibly valuable for me as it allowed me to apply my mathematical and programming skills to real world problems. It also helped me understand the role of a math major in society and consider the next step for my future career. Thank you. That's all.